The Shiba Inu is a Japanese dog bred for hunting small game. In August 2020, the creation of the meme coin Shiba Inu came about anonymously under the pseudonym Ryoshi. Shiba Inu aimed to be the Ethereum-based equivalent to the script-based mining algorithm of Dogecoin. Interest in and support for Shiba Inu snowballed, assisted by positive public comments and tweets from Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, and Vitalik Buterin, founder of Ethereum. As popularity for Shiba Inu grew, many other dog-themed cryptocurrencies emerged, such as Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Baby Doge ETH, Baby Doge, Jindo Inu, Jind, Mini Baby Doge, Mini Baby Doge, Alaska Inai Loss, Baby Doge Cash, Baby Doge Cash, Alaskan Malamute Token, LASM, and Baby Doge Millionaire. These doggy meme coins attracted the attention of crypto investors because of their low entry prices and investment potential. Shiba Inu, SHIB, for instance, is $0.00002, which presents an opportunity for investors hoping to see the dog-themed coin reach a price similar to the Dogecoin, Doge, high of $0.7376 in May 2021. Indeed, the Shiba Inu website says that SHIB will be the Dogecoin killer. What makes Shiba Inu unique? Shiba Inu is based on Dogecoin, Doge, a crypto asset that started in December 2013 as an internet joke. Interest in and support for Dogecoin was rapid. Today, Dogecoin has a significantly sized community of loyal supporters and experienced massive growth this year. Shiba Inu wants to help the average person claw back control, particularly in the cryptocurrency community where decentralized protocols may be advantageous over centralized equivalents. The community invites artists inspired by dogs to get behind the artistic Shiba movement to bring the Shiba Inu community into the non-fungible tokens (NFTs) market. The value of an NFT derives from rarity. Much like a one-off painting by an artist, and incredibly, some sell for millions of dollars. Many are suggesting that NFT are the future of art. Shiba Inu recently created an Amazon Smile campaign to help raise donations for the Shiba Inu Rescue Association to help rescue and take care of real Shiba Inu dogs. This breed of dog can be challenging. Many dog owners new to the breed find their intelligent, courageous, but stubborn behavior overwhelming, and consequently, many Shiba Inu end up in rescue care. How does Shiba Inu work? The SHIB coin is an ERC20 token. It is powered by Ethereum on the Ethereum network, leveraging smart contracts, thus creating decentralized financial products. The DeFi space is gaining momentum. Shiba Inu wants to be part of that as SHIB adoption increases and protocols rise through the artist incubator and decentralized exchange. Artists will be able to use the Ethereum network for auctioning NFT with smart contracts, thus creating a non-fungible token market without the need for third parties. However, SHIB is not alone. Shiba Inu is an ecosystem of 3 Shiba Inu tokens. The other 2 tokens are, unsurprisingly, the Bone token and the Leash token. Leash was to be a rebased token pegged to Dogecoin's price. But after the launch, Shiba Inu decided not to rebase, so Leash continues as an independent ERC20 token. The supply of Leash is limited to 100,000 tokens, which could mean demand could quickly outrank supply, leading to higher prices for Leash. The Bone token is limited to 250 million tokens. If you own Bone tokens, you have the right to vote on essential Shiba Inu matters for the year. The more Bone tokens you hold, the more weight your vote carries. Shiba Inu announced that, in their opinion, Bone will be the token to take DeFi to the next level. The 3 tokens established themselves via the launched in July 2021 Shiba Swap Exchange, a platform for creating a safe, decentralized environment for cryptocurrency trading. Shiba Inu plan to develop Shiba Swap further. Users can stake their coins for bones on the exchange, which can only be mined by staking SHIB on Shiba Swap. Who are the founders of Shiba Inu? We know little about Ryoshi, the anonymous founder of Shiba Inu, and it seems he prefers to keep it that way. In May 2021, he posted on the Medium writing platform and said, "I am nobody. I am not important. The efforts to unmask my identity, even if successful, would be underwhelming. I am just some guy of no consequence tapping at a keyboard, and I am replaceable. I am John. Whoever Ryoshi is, undeniably, he has chartered strong support for Shiba Inu and the ecosystem. The SHIB army has over 1 million members to date and 848,000 Twitter followers. They have Telegram channels for SHIB, Leash and Bone, and 212,000 loyal followers for Reddit and 94,500 members for Discord. They are building a vast community, which will continue to serve and support growth for Shiba Inu. How to choose a Shiba Inu wallet. A secure wallet for your SHIB tokens is a must. You can choose from an offline wallet, called a cold wallet, or an online, hot wallet. Two of the most secure cold wallets are Ledger and Trezor, and they are not connected to the internet, meaning there is no threat of hacking. They look like a USB memory stick, which you simply plug into your laptop or computer. The Ledger Nano S is a popular cold wallet retailing with thousands of positive reviews. The Trezor is the more expensive of the two, typically 3 times the price of the Ledger. Hot wallets are more vulnerable to attack because they are connected permanently to the internet, but they are popular because of ease of access. If you opt for a hot wallet, make sure you buy from a trusted, reputable source. Ideally, look for a user-friendly hot wallet that lets you store and trade your SHIB tokens hassle-free. How to stake Shiba Inu? The SHIB token was designed to outpace the growth of Dogecoin and without reaching $0.01. Many investors see SHIB as an addition to their cryptocurrency portfolio, as an asset to buy and hold. Now, the Shiba Swap Exchange launch creates a far broader utility for SHIB because holders can stake, bury, and farm, dig, their tokens. Shiba Inu is unique because, whilst it runs on Ethereum, currently POW, the initial supply of SHIB was minted on launch, which means that you can't mine the token. On the Shiba Swap Exchange, SHIB holders can stake, bury, their Shiba coins, representing their original SHIB holdings, and staking rewards are Bone tokens and 0.03% of ETH swap transaction fees on the exchange. Conclusion of how to stake Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has yet to reach a significant milestone. The principles behind the Shiba army community are sound, but it's early days to look for groundbreaking changes. Though if decentralization becomes a daily standard, Shiba Inu will make history. The Shiba army community has 100% control over what happens next, but they have yet to determine if a community without direct leadership can work. The Artist Incubator will help boost the NFT market and demonstrate multiple benefits of building a spontaneous, decentralized community via the 3 flagship assets, SHIB, Leash, and Bone. Shiba Inu is an ecosystem with 3 different tokens, SHIB, Leash, and Bone. You can swap SHIB and Leash for Bone by burying and digging. Bury is when you stake SHIB/Leash in exchange for Bone. Digging is primarily liquidity farming, which is where you place your SHIB or Leash in a pool and receive a percentage of the transaction fees collected in Bone. Remember, all 3 tokens have different price points and therefore different returns. Will the Shiba Inu ecosystem turn out to be the Dogecoin killer? It's early days, but undoubtedly it is making progress. If you stake Shiba Inu, SHIB, it could be a great decision. Please note that the above information is not providing advice on tax, investment, or financial services. We provide the above information without consideration for risk tolerance and a specific investor's financial circumstances. Trading or investing in financial instruments, such as cryptos, may not be suitable for all investors. It does involve risk and the possibility of a loss of capital. There are no guarantees for profiting from cryptocurrencies, and it's advisable only to risk what you can comfortably afford to lose. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.